Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ghost writing book in Phasmophobia. This crucial piece of equipment helps you identify specific ghost types. To begin, simply place the open book in the same room as the ghost. Make sure it is clearly visible. A small pen icon will appear on the book, indicating it is ready for the ghost to interact with it. This initial step is key to gathering this unique evidence. Once placed, patiently observe the book for any activity. Ghost writing appears as unique scribbles or symbols directly on the pages. This visual confirmation is your cue that you have successfully gathered ghost writing evidence. Remember, not all ghost types will interact with the book, so if nothing happens after a few minutes, it might be time to try other evidence tools or relocate the book. Keep a keen eye out for these distinct markings. To increase your chances of getting ghost writing, try illuminating the book with your flashlight. Sometimes, leaving the room for a short period encourages the ghost to interact when you are not present. If you are unsure of the ghost's precise location, consider placing 2 or 3 books in different areas of the suspected room. Combining the book with other tools, like a spirit box, can also help narrow down the ghost's activity zone. Once you have confirmed ghost writing, this crucial evidence significantly narrows down the possible ghost types. Open your in-game journal and cross-reference this finding with any other clues you have gathered, such as EMF level 5 or freezing temperatures. Eliminate any ghost types that do not exhibit ghost writing. Your goal is to confirm 3 distinct pieces of evidence, which will allow you to confidently identify the ghost haunting the location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.